may ano lang ako, may ask lang ako tungkol dun sa sinabi niyo. Okay lang po ba?
Sure, ano doon?
Yung hindi ko po mag-guess bakit niyo po sinabi na ang ang babae pwede niya isuot kahit anong gusto niya. Tapos at the same time, yung manyak pwede siyang
Mag-catcall.
ang catcall.
Yeah. Kasi
I mean,
what's the justification bakit allowed yung babae na suotin yung gusto niya suotin? It's the same justification you will use na pwede mag-catcall yung lalaki.
siguro freedom. Okay,
Oh, there
freedom
you
na.
go.
Okay.
Right? So
Tama.
ngayon, bakit ka mamimili
Ibig,
ngayon na kung ang justification mo is freedom, can they apply that to them as well? If you say no, actually you're special pleading. Kasi namimili ka, right? If you say
tama.
yes, then they should be allowed. Why are you punishing them?
Paano kung ang rason ng kabila is dahil mali ang pangmamanyak o mangkatcall. Kaya
Again,
hindi sila
bakit
dapat
mali?
bigyan ng freedom.
Pero bakit mali?
I mean, mali siya sa lipunan. I mean,
There it is.
hindi siya tanggap
There it is.
mamanyak.
So ang
Oh,
point ang gustong i-point out dito is it's because of the norms. And that is also the justification of Gabe why he's not naked. Nagets mo? Na parang round and round we go here. Kasi they're assuming na they're not hindi sila equal footing eh. Kasi remove the bias. Okay, let's be purely logical here. If your justification is freedom and you are actually depriving the other side ng freedom, then that's actually an imbalance, right? Ngayon,
opo,
we're talking
opo.
about the norms, right? Okay, norms. Kasi may norm dito o sa atin na mali yung mga sexually harassed, right?
Opo.
Okay,
Yes.
now, think about it. The criminal's mind. Says who? Sino nagsabing yan yung norm? Why should I follow that?
Tama.
Nagigets mo, why should I follow that?
Sa mindset nila, yung mindset
Exactly.
nila iba.
Kaya yung sinasabi nilang hindi factor, no, it's all about perception ng tao. Kaya nga, kung andun ka ba sa live na may kasamang doktor?
Doktor?
Oo, may
Ay,
doktor kaming kausap
wala ata.
kay Ninong Lu. Nung nahanap ko yung
Hindi
citation
ko
ko,
po
biglang
alam.
tumakbo.
Hindi ko po alam. Sorry.
Oh, ito kasi yung idea ko no kasi sabi ko nga I'm a pragmatist. Ang unang-unang ginagawa is kini-clarify ko yung mga concepts. Pangalawa kong
Okay.
ginagawa is gusto ko magkaroon ng distinction. If there's a practical distinction, then I will make the distinction. If there's no distinction, then let's not put a distinction there. So I made a
Okay.
distinction here. Sabi ko, okay, let's distinguish thoughts from belief. Why? Kasi when we're talking about thoughts, it's just an activity in my mind na, okay, like for example, theoretical deduction,
Opo. Okay.
hypotheticals, that's thoughts, right?
Parinig ko ata yun. Okay, okay.
But if I'm talking about belief, yun yung
Parinig ko ata
pinanghawakan ko.
talaga.
Okay? So
Opo.
let's distinguish the two. Ngayon, ang question ko was, okay, when we're talking about belief, ayan ay sa belief system, web of beliefs mo na you are ready to take action. Right?
Opo, tama. Yes.
Maybe not now, but in the future, it guides you. Right?
Yes.
Okay, ang question ko sa kanila is, what if the person, the man, believe that because of the clothing, revealing clothing, it signals na interesado sa kanya? Is that enough for him to act?
Tama, opo.
So ngayon,
Para sa kanya enough yun.
exactly. So ngayon sasabihin mo sa akin, pero mali, hindi yung intention ko. Okay, do you understand the misperception? That's the point. You are trying to manage, you are going to be perceived that way. So ngayon, if you're perceived that way,
Oo nga, no.
it is happening in reality, right? How can you question it's not?
Kaya mag-a-adjust ka talaga.
Mag-a-adjust ka talaga if you value your life, right?
Tama. For survival.
For survival, preservation of your life. If you value that, but you can do that if you want.
Hindi nga. Kasi nga, kaya tayo nag-iingat dahil hindi natin kontrolado yung triggers nung manyak.
Yeah, and
Kaya,
sometimes we actually trigger it. Yun yung point ko.
Opo.
Kasi
Kasi nga,
sometimes we use it as a strategy, right? Like for example,
Kasi nga
bigyan tayo ng example. Like for example, tayo ay may magkalaban tayong faction, right? Ngayon, I want to take you down. Okay? Ano ang unang gagawin ko? I will send you a very sexy woman to trap you. I'm gonna use that as my strategy to take you down.
hanapin mo yung weakness.
Correct. So, kaya sabi ko, it can be used either way. So you cannot argue either way. Okay, ano yung unang belief nyo doon? Ano ba yung perception nyo doon? Ano yung, kasi tinanong mo sa akin, it seems to me na merong iba kang paniniwala or iba yung pagkakaintindi mo nung una, right?
Hindi, I mean, ako naman talaga, agree naman talaga ako na kailangan talaga pag-ingat kasi nga maraming mga pasamang loob sa labas. Pero mas naiintindihan ko lang yung logic nyo na yung pinagkaibangan ng belief tsaka yung isa po, yung parang
Thoughts.
thoughts. Oo.
Oh.
So, kung ang belief nga talaga nila is masamang tao sila. So, syempre nga naman, kahit nga naman sabihin mo sa kanila yung dapat nilang gawin o yung
They will not care.
kung tama o
Yeah.
hindi mo pa rin makukuha yung gusto mo kasi nga iba nga yung paniniwala nila.
Yeah.
So, ikaw na yung mag-adjust talaga.
Cool. Kasi I think
Sarap.
they're straw manning the position eh. Kasi ang point ko lang is ang point kasi namin, ang point ko as a pragmatist, hindi yan like control sa babae, no? Ang sinasabi ko,
tama.
this is how we are wired. We are actually
Tama.
trying to survive. We're trying to survive.
Tama.
You are hardwired to survive, right?
To survive.
Ikaw yun.
Tama.
Kumbaga, paano kita inanong ng accountable o kinokontrol? No! That's self-interest kasi you want to survive. Unless you don't want to survive, then okay, fine. Do whatever. Kumbaga, the world is yours, dude. Di ba?
Tama. Agree talaga ako. Parang, kasi nangyayari sa kanila, parang umiiral yung emotions nila na parang akala nila at tinatanggal yung freedom nila.
Yeah.
Pero, at the end of the day, lahat ng tao kailangan mag-survive. So, mag-a-adjust ka talaga sa environment mo.
Yeah, for example,
Wala siyang
we have
tama.
laws, right? We have laws. But the laws are only important if you get caught.
Tama, yes.
If you don't get caught, laws are not important.
Tama, oo nga.
So, the laws actually
May
make the monsters smarter. Nakikita mo, kasi yun yung idea eh. Yun yung idea ng pragmatism eh. Na parang, we are trying to catch up with reality, but realizing na we are standing on the same point. Kumbaga, you think you're just running na sobrang bilis to try to catch up with reality, but hindi mo na realize na andun ka pa rin nakatayo kung saan ka unang tumakbo. Kasi sobrang bilis ng reality. Yun yung idea. Naglagay ka ng laws. Okay, then you just made the monsters smarter. Nag-evolve them yung monsters. That's how it works. Kasi evolution nga, they adapt to their surroundings.
Tama. Parang nangyayari, yung loss naman, ang threat sa mga masasamang loob.
Correct. Pero they become creative now, right?
So nag-a-adjust din sila.
Siyempre, yung self-interest nila is for their own survival as well.
Sino-survive din nila yung sarili nila.
Yeah, because they were hardwired that way. Ngayon, women are like that as well. Right?
Tama, yes.
They want to survive as well. Okay, if your idea is you want to survive, then you have to take care of yourself.
Tama.
Kaya ka nga bumibili ng insurance. Kasi hindi ka sure. So, kaya mo rin i-mitigate ngayon mimitigate yung risk doon sa clothing mo kasi hindi ka rin sure.
Tama. Parang wala rin siya pinagkaiba sa example yun na pag tumatawid ka. Hindi mo naman pwedeng sabihin tinatanggal yung freedom mo pag hindi ka umilingon sa kaliwat at kanan eh. Kahit walang paparating na sasakyan, lilingon ka pa rin kasi iniingatan mo.
And then that's actually natural
ka.
instinct, right? You don't even think about it. You just do it.
Tama.
So ngayon, if you actually sense danger, you have to adapt to it, right? Ngayon,
Tama, yes.
Ngayon, you practice that kind of habit. Kasi may mga bagay na you don't practice yung habit and that kills you.
Yeah, tama.
Yeah. That kills you kasi ang mangyayari doon is, okay, this is the
Hindi
first
pa
time.
sanay.
It's either it kills you or you survive it. If you survive it, then good kasi nagkaroon ka ngayon ng
You will
panibag. You learn from it and then you're not gonna do it again because it's gonna kill you, dude.
Tama.
That's how, kaya
Parang
yung pragmatism, you already know it. I'm just explaining how it works. Pero instinctively, we are all pragmatists. You just don't know it yet.
Sabagay, oo nga. Tsaka yun nga, parang idea ko rin nga, yung bawa sa mga factory o sa mga, yung mga may trabaho ka na may alam mong may danger.
Uh-huh.
So, pag bago ka ron, so syempre, hindi mo pa alam kung paano ka mag-iingat. Ngayon, pag
Yeah,
sinabi na sa'yo, oh, magsuot ka ng ganito kasi may
that's
pwede
a
kang
good analogy actually.
makuryente o masunog.
That's
So,
a very good
syempre,
analogy. Correct.
bago ka pumasok doon, ayusin mo na.
And tama, that's a very good analogy kasi ang tawag doon is unfamiliar territory, right?
Ako,
Okay,
tama, familiar.
ngayon, you actually learn while you fail.
Oo, yun nga.
Right, di ba? You keep failing and failing and failing
Tama.
just to make sure na yung failures mo ay won't amount to your death.